Mombin, scientifically designated as Spondias mombin, is a tropical fruit with a rich history, thriving predominantly in Central and South America while now widely cultivated in West Africa, the Caribbean, and Southeast Asia. The fruit's vibrant yellow to red coloration is only the surface-level attraction. Beneath lies a complex biochemical composition that has made it a focal point in both traditional medicine and modern nutritional studies. The mombin tree, belonging to the Anacardiaceae family alongside mangoes and cashews, reaches heights of 10 to 15 meters and demonstrates remarkable adaptability to humid, tropical climates with well-drained soils. Its flowering and fruiting cycles are closely linked to seasonal rainfall, requiring precise understanding from cultivators to achieve optimal yield and fruit quality. Historically, mombin has been intertwined with human societies for centuries. Ancient communities recognized its medicinal potential, using not only the fruit but also the bark, leaves, and seeds for digestive support, anti-inflammatory treatments, and wound care. Its cultivation reflects a blend of ecological knowledge and cultural tradition, with local farming practices designed to maximize both productivity and sustainability. Beyond utilitarian uses, mombin carries symbolic weight. In folklore and ceremonial contexts, it is often associated with fertility, health, and abundance, demonstrating the fruit's role in both sustenance and cultural identity. Mombin is celebrated not only for its tangy sweet flavor but also for its exceptional nutritional density and ecological significance. The fruit is particularly rich in vitamin C, a critical antioxidant for immune system support, collagen production, and cellular repair, as well as vitamin A, essential for visual health, skin integrity, and growth processes. Its dietary fiber promotes gastrointestinal health by regulating bowel movements and fostering a beneficial gut microbiome. The presence of polyphenols and carotenoids contributes to antioxidant capacity, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering risks of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular conditions and certain cancers. Botanically, mombin trees display intriguing characteristics. They produce oblong fruits in clusters that mature seasonally, with delicate harvesting required to prevent bruising. The tree's resilience allows it to thrive in diverse tropical environments, yet optimal growth depends on adequate sunlight, soil drainage, and rainfall patterns. Importantly, mombin contributes to local ecosystems by providing food for a variety of birds and mammals, which aid in seed dispersal, thus supporting biodiversity and ecological balance. Its flowers, while small, attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, further cementing its ecological role. Culinary uses of mombin are extensive and culturally varied. The tangy pulp is consumed fresh, juiced, or processed into jams, jellies, sauces, and syrups. In some regions, mombin is incorporated into traditional desserts, savory dishes, and fermented beverages, demonstrating its versatility. Additionally, ethnobotanical studies document its use in herbal preparations for treating fever, diarrhea, and skin ailments. Modern food science explores its potential as a functional ingredient in nutraceuticals, leveraging its antioxidant and vitamin content for health-promoting products. Economically, mombin represents a valuable commodity for smallholder farmers and local markets. Its cultivation supports income generation, food security, and sustainable agricultural practices. Cultural significance runs parallel to its economic role. Mombin features prominently in folklore, local rituals, and seasonal festivals, symbolizing prosperity, vitality, and community well-being. Contemporary research continues to explore novel applications, from bioactive extracts to culinary innovation, reinforcing mombin's status as a fruit of both traditional heritage and scientific curiosity. Taken together, mombin exemplifies the intersection of nutrition, ecology, economy, and culture. Its study provides insights into sustainable agriculture, the health benefits of tropical fruits, and the ways in which human societies integrate natural resources into their culinary and medicinal traditions. The fruit's ongoing relevance underscores the importance of preserving indigenous knowledge and biodiversity while inspiring modern scientific and gastronomic exploration.